Hi, today I'm going to tell you about one of the best SEO tools. After testing a huge number of services in this category, I found the best option that suited me perfectly. It is a very versatile and highly effective assistant. It makes over $80,000 a year for me, and with this program, I've been using it for a lot of time. In this short video, I'm going to tell you 7 very useful secrets that only few people know about, but which make it really the best in the SEO tools category. Let's not waste time and let's get started right now.
SpyFu is a highly effective SEO and keyword research tool that is easy to use and can effectively boost your search rankings. Using web scraping technology, it collects online data used to determine the keywords that businesses and websites buy with Google AdWords. SpyFu also maps search results to search terms so that companies better understand the types of queries and strings of words for which they appear on Google's search engine results page. SpyFu essentially allows you to spy on your competitors, helping you pinpoint the keywords your competitors are buying for online advertising and highlighting the words and phrases that generate the most traffic. This way you can stay one step ahead of other companies or services in your industry and attract more traffic to your site. SpyFu has 3 different plans. The basic plan costs $33 a month and includes 250 leads and domain contacts and 5,000 weekly tracked keyword rankings. This plan is best for new startups and small companies with a limited online presence. If you need a more advanced keyword analytics, you can choose the professional plan for $58 a month. It comes with 500 leads and domain contacts and 15,000 weekly tracked keyword rankings and custom branding for your company. The most feature-rich plan is the group plan with 2,000 leads and domain contacts, 40,000 weekly tracked keyword rankings, custom branding, and 5 user logins. This plan is ideal for full-service marketing departments with resources dedicated to SEO and online keyword-based advertising. In addition to certain plan features, all SpyFu service levels include unlimited search results, unlimited data exports, and unlimited domain review documents. With SpyFu, you can search for specific competitors, see all the keywords they buy in Google Ads, and see how effective their ads are. Using these data, you can replicate their successes while avoiding their mistakes. You can also see the number of clicks on their keywords, track bids for the words you're interested in, and track changes in your ad spend over time. PPC data allows you to pinpoint keywords your competitors aren't already bidding on. With SpyFu AdWords visualization tools, you can use PPC data to identify groups of keywords, see which words aren't working, and view the displays you're producing for the keywords that matter most to you. SEO Research. This feature allows you to identify content and keywords, including backlinks, that help your competitors outperform you in the rankings and keep track of every website working in your niche. In this way, the SEO Research feature shows how orders and content change over time and can help you catch up with prospective competitors faster. A handy group keyword analysis tool allows you to organize your SEO keywords into groups, usually a very tedious and time-consuming task, quickly and efficiently, and you can customize your SEO reports to attract and retain specific customers. There are several tools for keyword research. You can generate keyword variations based on search volume, click-through rankings, and SEO sophistication. You can also bid on words similar to those you have in mind for your SEO campaign. You can even enter keywords you're currently using to see all of the highest-yielding keywords that fall into the niche. The SpyFu dashboard and user interface are very clearly designed. The 7 tabs at the top of the dashboard provide quick and easy access to your keywords, SEO tools, PPC research, tracking, and report. You can see how your keywords are performing, what your pay-per-click is, which keywords made it to the first page, and how your SEO campaign is performing overall based on organic and paid clicks. The dashboard's top and center search bar make it easy to initiate a keyword search and see the results right after. This makes the whole app very easy to use, and you can start searching and researching within minutes. In case of technical problems, you can contact the technical team via live chat or phone using dedicated lines for customers from the US and other countries. There are also comprehensive reference resources open to all users, including blogs, tutorials, a glossary, videos, and live chat and comparison tools between SpyFu and some of its closest competitors.